to study the difference between metals and non-metals.
Madam, please explain the difference between metals and non-metals.
Metals are solid materials which are typically hard, shiny, malleable, fusible, and ductile with good electrical and thermal conductivity. Example: iron, gold, silver, and aluminium, and alloys such as steel. The materials which do not possess these properties are non-metals. Let's perform an experiment to study the difference between metals and non-metals. The materials required are 1 piece of wire, each for metals like iron, aluminium, and copper. Samples of non-metals like graphite, sulfur, and coal, a hammer, and sandpaper. Procedure: take samples of the metals and non-metals and clean them with a fine sandpaper. Observe the appearance of all the samples and record the observations in the table. Hammer each sample with the same force and observe the results. Observation: material, metal or non-metal. Appearance: hardness, malleable or brittle. Iron, metal, shiny, hard, malleable. Aluminium, metal, shiny, soft, malleable. Copper, metal, shiny, hard, malleable. Graphite, non-metal, dull, soft, brittle. Sulfur, non-metal, dull, soft, brittle. Coal, non-metal, dull, soft, brittle. Result: from the above observations, it is seen that metals are shiny, hard, and malleable, whereas non-metals are dull, soft, and brittle. Do's: use the hammer carefully. Beat all the elements with the same force. Don'ts: don't over-rub the metals. Don't use samples of different sizes.
Thank you, madam. This experiment has made the concept very easy to understand.